Oh man, I'm so excited right now. Definitely excited for this one. What's going on, guys? How's it going? It's your boy Broadway J back at it with another one here on the channel, Kickz and Beatz, man. Now listen, for those who was on the sneaker app just 2 days ago for the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee, which one of y'all won? Cause I got mine from the sneakers app. I don't know how. It's been a couple months and they finally let me take that W. If you got your W from the Nike sneakers app, let us know in the comment section below. But yeah, this is it right here. You know it came from them. Just do it. Once you see that tape, you know it's Nike. But yeah, this is a 25th anniversary edition, guys. This silhouette first came out in 1995. For those who don't know, came in several colors, man. It's just incredible, man. This silhouette right here, though, I got to be honest, I've never seen it in person. I haven't seen it in hand. I haven't even seen it from afar. I haven't seen it in stores. I just haven't seen it anywhere yet in person. So this reaction of mine, which you're about to see, is real genuine, y'all. This is the first time I'm seeing it up close. And it's been a while since I've seen a pair of Air Jordan 11s this close in general. Last time I wore a pair was when the Air Jordan 11 Georgetown came out. And that was a couple years ago. But yeah, let's get to it, man. I just want to get to it already. The box looks pretty dope. I like the box. It's a cool box. What you guys think? Looks like it opens differently too. What's with this? I'm gonna have to give my slow one a quick second because I don't know how to deal with these. Does this pull out on the side? No, this does not pull out on the side. Oh. Okay, so it's just like a little flap on the side right here. Just pull it up. Okay. Move the microphone to the side. I'm not even using it for this recording. I should have been. Will be soon. I'm just getting ready to put some acoustic foam around the walls first. Last time I tried recording here, it was just terrible recording. This room's just not ready for it yet. I don't even want to touch the logo. I don't want to get my fingerprints on it. That looks real nice. Beat that. See that? Oh, look at the back here. Look at the 23. That's pretty nuts. Fresh. God, I love that fresh scent. Damn, this is. Dude, this is sick. I don't even want to wear this. I might just have to keep this and leave it on display in the room. Let me give you guys an up close real quick. Check out the details on this shoe right quick. Damn. Oof, look at that. Look at that. Look at the light reflecting off the logo. Anyways, check out the details right quick. Yeah, I love that carbon fiber. I believe he was thinking about sports cars once again when he decided to think of the Air Jordan 11. How's the inside look? See that, guys? Take this out. Give you guys that look. 23 embroidered within the inside, right underneath the logo. Is this a message? Quality basketball product inspired by the greatest player ever. Got that right. Jordan. What you guys think about this shoe? Cop a drop. Let us know as well within the comment section below. I think this is definitely a cop, man. If you ask me, this has to go up with time. This is definitely going to go up in the market with time. Who knows how long? Maybe it could be a few months, maybe a few years, 2 to 3 years, but this is definitely going to have to go up. 25th anniversary edition? Yeah, I think so. Definitely. This is really nice, though. I like this colorway. Like, I really can't front. I'm nervous about this patent leather. That's why I don't want to. That's why I don't want to wear them and give you that on-feet review. But I know you guys want to see that, and I pretty much got it. So it's whatever, man. I think I'm gonna get another pair off GOAT right now before the price goes up. It's all good. Give you that on-foot review right now. Let's get to it. Alright guys, this pretty much sums up the end of the video. Please hit subscribe if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet. Please hit like. We're getting real close to 1,000 subscribers, which means it's about that time for another giveaway. If y'all haven't seen the original giveaway, take a look at that video so you can see, you know, what we pretty much do here on the channel. I aim to be the most, you know, charitable on YouTube one day, but I can't do it without the help of you guys. So I would really appreciate it if you can actually subscribe, you know. I don't ask for much, just a subscription, and, you know, hit that bell notification. That helps a lot too, so you guys can stay informed with the future videos or whatnot. We give away clothing, we give away sneakers, music equipment, beats, if you're a rapper and whatnot, or an artist of any sort. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll be back at it with another one. We actually have 2 more Easy sneakers on the way, actually, 2021 releases. So you know where you saw it at first. Stay tuned. God bless. Peace.